Simon, over the last couple of days, you've been bringing us exclusive reports on the state's health crisis. There's been a bit of further reaction to that today.
Yes, there has been, Laura, and this is an issue that won't go away for all sides of politics, both on the Victorian and New South Wales side of the border, with doctors in Albury describing to me the issues of burnout and the issues of running the gauntlet at hospitals as they seem to be overwhelmed, and ambulance response times on both sides of the border not coming up to scratch in areas particularly around Victoria's northeast region. Now, I asked both the Victorian Health Minister and the Emergency Services Minister, who's also the member for Northern Victoria, about our Sky News investigation. And there's been some calls too from the New South Wales side of the border, particularly the federal MP for Farrer, who is Susan Ley. She was speaking with Peter Stefanovic earlier on First Edition about the need for a new hospital in Albury-Wodonga.
Now, that's not working because Victoria has not put the capital investment into a facility in New South Wales, and I think actually wants to withdraw from the whole deal. So it's a huge problem, and what I'm focused as local member is on the outcome for our patients, for our community, that actually deserve a lot better.
We've had no commitments from the Commonwealth to any of these projects along the river. But of course, when it comes to Albury-Wodonga Health, we have an existing agreement with New South Wales, and I know from lots of conversations with our colleagues in New South Wales that we're both committed to that process.
So federal ministers are still adjusting to their roles, particularly the Federal Health Minister, the Prime Minister Anthony Albanese. I asked as part of our investigation about this too, and they promised to look into it, or at least they've acknowledged that the calls there for this infrastructure. But Laura, as Anthony Albanese acknowledged yesterday, on Monday when he was here in Melbourne, that there can be more infrastructure needs that can be delivered in one budget, but the locals certainly, and I keep speaking with them, Laura, in Albury-Wodonga, they are keen for a solution ahead of the state election here in Victoria on November the 26th.
Simon, thank you.